Life sliding gate motor programming. Full travel learning setup, step by step. Welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon channel. Today I will show you how to program a life sliding gate control unit, step by step. Before starting, make sure the gate is in the middle position, half open. Manual release is locked properly. Turn on the 230 main power supply. Programming the gate travel. Hold Start button for 5 seconds. All 5 LEDs light up and start flashing. Now, press 1 time Start button. The gate should be start closing. Note: if the gate start closing, then OK. But if your gate start opening instead of closing, again press the same Start button. The gate will be returned to closing. Now, don't press any button. The sequence of this programming is automatic learning sequence. After correct direction is set, the automation performs 3 movements automatically. Movement E is closing. The gate fully closes and learns the closing limit. Movement Ot is opening. Then, the gate opens completely and learns the opening limit. Movement 3 is closing again. Finally, the gate closes again to complete programming. Programming complete. When programming is completed successfully, the 2 green LEDs will flash. The red LH LED will remain on. This means travel programming is saved successfully. If programming fails, if the gate movement is incorrect or limits are not accurate, repeat the complete procedure again from the beginning. That's it, friends. Your life sliding gate motor programming is completed successfully. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Auto Door Surgeon. Share with technicians and installers. See you in the next technical video.